Hindi nabababa yung cooldown.
Kago sa akin.
Wala sila agad.
Sa software engineering, kapag may oras pa po sa software engineering na libre kumbaga po, ipapagamit ko po yun sa inyo for the PM naman po, for the revisions ninyo. Okay? So, yes po na. Yes na. Wala lang. Napindot na siguro. Okay, anyway. Module.
Heads are on a swivel. Citadel Gaming finish E-District with 0 points. But as you see, these unexpected zone shifts, just everybody looking everywhere. What are the other teams doing? Where can we go? What are our options? The map just starts to be, just littered with these little arrows pointing left and right.
They finally call out enemy, by the way, who broke Legacy's ankles, but it's okay. Now Fire Strays are eliminated out of this lobby. Legacy's still in here. And SBI were able to clean that up. Now trying to take a portal, we see the actually putting them like over by Galleria. You may want to move back around. That's Legacy, that one member, the Alter Goso is going to be moving on to because Legacy are on the edge of that southeastern zone. Rogating can kind of walk up behind Oblivion.
And there's a couple of specific points that the Alters can get through there from Galleria to the canal where it will be finishing. So Legacy need to have their head on a swivel, watching those passengers coming through there because FBI Esports, VK Gaming, Fnatic, and Crazy Thieves are all still in Galleria.
Triple kill! What a glorious match! Four's the lucky number.
Patay ka hindi dito kita.
Sina.
Oo, dito!
Wait lang. You know, wala kang naano.
Wala pa na ult. God damn.
Ayun na.
Gago, patay! Paano? Patyo!
Yung back to normal sa isang 57 stack.
Oh, Faker! Fake. Patay mo na si Vince ako.
Walang damage.
Vince!
Grabe, ang dami na spear nun, di pa rin napatay sa puto. Tangina, sinolo ni ni LeBron James.
Yes.
Nangyari
Ay,
dito?
siya.
Wait lang.
With a knockback and a Wukong, that's fucking Now, if the game looks like this, we have Ambessa in the long, exactly will be a nice ability to establish winning sides. We've got to swap it and play on a zero.
Bro, fight man! Three man again!
Oh my god.
Come back.
Sapol. Hell yeah.
Kagi nangangalahati yung buhay ng Apelli. Tinidilaan ko lang.
Uy, what the
Patay mo no.
hell?
What are you saying, bro?
Ano sabi ni JB? What?
Hindi nila kailangan.
Lang, gaga ka. What a shade, bro. Bait ba ako doon?
Hindi, walang bait.
I-damage Jamie ka.
Taibo. Tanking pa rin. Di ako nagtatank, hindi ako nagtatank.
Nag-ult ako doon.
Okay, let's go.
No pen.
Help!
Penta. Oh no. Aldi! Penta kill! What?
Ace.